MRP and ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning. Basically, these both are the software systems. Manufacturers need to know what materials may be required, when, and at what quantity to produce any particular product. Also, they need to manage the financial aspects of the company and other corporate and managerial information. To ease these problems, we use the MRP system, which comprises of MRP1 and MRP2 and ERP systems, and we are learning all these in this video. Before starting on, I kindly request you to like, share and subscribe. So what's the basic difference between all these systems? I'll make it quick for you. We go for the software system MRP or Materials Requirement Planning for ordering and receiving the materials. We go for the software system MRP2 or Manufacturing Resource Planning when we want to do anything regarding manufacturing process, including forecasting demand or making manufacturing plans, etc. We go for the software system ERP when we want to store all the corporate or organizational information, and also this includes the financial information. ERP systems also includes the use of software features and functionalities that helps to automate and streamline not only the manufacturing but manage the entire enterprise. So even the things like customer care and maintaining relationship or relationship management, human resource management, and project management falls inside the scope of ERP or Enterprise Resource Planning. The other difference is the volume of data that these systems take or the volume of data necessary to be managed. See this picture over here. You see that for MRP1, we are only focusing on data for ordering and receiving of the materials. For MRP2, we are using data for manufacturing till shipping, and for ERP, we are using all the data in the centralized system. So overall organization's data is stored in the ERP system. So the data becomes complex and more inclusive as we move from MRP1 to MRP2 to ERP. It's now time for the second part of the session. Let's run the quiz. Gunjan Steels need a software system to manage the materials order, manufacturing process, and the data related to handling the purchase order and customer's complaint. What type of software system is most suitable to its need? Is it the MRP1, MRP2, or is it the ERP system? I'll give you some time to think for the answer. Okay, I hope you got that right. I've answered this question in the description with logic, so please do not forget to check it out. Also, the free project management training link and links to Six Sigma training and courses are also given in the description. I urge you to take fast action by taking the free training first, as the allocated seats for the course may all be taken. Alright, let me provide you the second question. This is just a logic-based question. I want to see your answers in the comments so that I can personally check them. Which of the following ideas must you look for while choosing among the MRP1, MRP2 or the ERP systems? Is it the budget that you are set? Is it the growth of the business? Is it the sector we want to optimize? Or are all these above mentioned options correct? I want to see the logic behind you choosing the answer, and I also want to see your logical answer in the comment box. I will talk about the answer in the other video of our production and manufacturing series. Thank you so much for coming so far with me. Please don't forget to check out the resources in the description and also like, share and subscribe so that I can get more motivated to add more value in this channel in the future.